Hey y'all, this is the Savvy Specialist. Welcome back for another video. This one is the Photo Finish Primerizer. It's a primer and moisturizer in one, so I'm getting double moisture because I already used the my moisturizer. Very hydrating, perfect for my oily skin. So I am moisturized. I'm feeling nice and tacky. I'm also going to use a different foundation that I just have sitting there. It is the Rich Chestnut by Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. This is supposed to stay all day, almost comparable to the Ultra Wear by Lancome. And also it's not very practical to use because it doesn't have a pump. I love a pump. A pump makes it less messy, makes it easier to use, and just more practical. This is not very practical. Lancome has been ahead of the game for a while with the pumps, so Lancome comes through. Okay. I matched the color chestnut. So what is a typical Monday like for you guys? I wake up, I have to be at work at 7:25, between 7:25 and 7:40. And I'm at work till about 5, sometimes later based on what I have going on. But my day is pretty packed for the most part. Never a dull moment. Then I come home, and if I get inspired to do a video like I did tonight, that's kind of what I do. I go in with the usual. I buff, pat. All right, I'm gonna go underneath with my Kat Von D, which I've fallen back in love with since I rediscovered it recently. Why I wasn't using it, I cannot tell you, but it is so good. So good. It's an effortless powder. So good. It's translucent, so it doesn't matter that it looks lighter. Using my Wet n Wild P60 Rose Gold Edition brush by Wet n Wild. They come through with those brushes. Today somebody asked me if I receive PR, and no guys, I don't receive PR. I'm just starting off, and I literally have my own makeup collection because I've just been a makeup junkie for years, all by myself. So no PR, no nada, just my own collection. But I mean, it would be nice. Hello, I do use all these amazing products, so I'm gonna use the contour cream kit by Anastasia. It looks like this contour cream kit. This is the contour brush by Sigma. It's the F05. I've used it before for other purposes other than contour, but it's really a contour brush, and you can go as deep or as light as you want. And I just go over the cream contour lightly, but I want it to show up a little bit. And I'm also trying to keep this look very simple, very wearable makeup. Jewel ended brush, Anastasia Beverly Hills number 12. And by the time you're done with your all over face powder, your eyeshadows, like any harshness will kind of be eliminated. So no worries there. You just don't want it to set before you fix it, you know? So if you feel it's too heavy, just pat. Fix that before you move on to the eyes or the next step. Urban Decay, Minor Sin. I still don't know what I'm gonna do, but I have a feeling it's gonna be a very Savvy Specialist production. I think the reason I like bright colors is because they really do just look amazing on my skin tone. So I was gonna go with Mulberry because I feel like it's calling my name. This color, oh my god, this is so pretty. I'm gonna pat a nice beautiful nude, kind of like that color on it, and it's gonna be matte. Oh yeah. Muted color from the 350M by Morphe. You guys have seen this many times. And I'm gonna go right above that concealer. But it's not shimmery, it is a matte color, almost the shade of the concealer. I'm gonna go back in around that. And I'm just tapping it on the same place I applied the concealer, but not all the way to the end, just most of it, you know. Yes and yes, this is nice. Gonna go back with that Mulberry, so I'm using this creamy color in the 350 palette by Morphe on top of the concealer, and I'm using Mulberry in the crease from the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I'm gonna go back in higher because sometimes I tend to forget I have more space. I'm just gonna go higher, but we don't want to disturb like the inner corner because we want that light shade to really shine through. How are you guys liking this so far? This is nice. Why do I come up with all these good looks when I literally have nowhere to be? So now I will use my MAC Cosmetics blush in Raisin, because that's literally, Raisin is my blush of choice. So as I'm using the blush, I'm noticing that the foundation, like I'm seeing my pores a little bit more. I don't have that issue with my Lancome, but I feel like my pores are way more prominent in this, and I'm not here for it. I'm just not. It's the foundation most likely, because I have no reason to see all these. My pores are very magnified right now, I'm noticing. And like I said, I had not used the foundation in a minute, so what's up? I mean, from a distance it looks perfect. Before I started, you already know I added some lip balm to my lips. We need some hydration. I'm gonna use the eyeliner lashes. We're gonna just place it on top. They are on. Going with it, glistening from the same palette. Yes and yes. Yes, ma'am. I am in love with this look. This is the highlight by Naked Urban Decay Naked Illuminating Trio. It is bright, shine bright like a diamond. Yeah, we just going. You can control it so well. And you already know. It's too much. Think we're ready. Oh, girl. Our highlight is Seen from Space. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. This is the finished look. I hope that you like it. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.